Hi everyone, in today's video I have another unboxing video. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited because I scored a Hermes bag, my dream bag. Yes. I'm so excited when I saw this bag. If you know what is my dream bag, then you probably, if you're watching my ultimate dream bag, you probably know what it is. You know, there are 5 in there, but I don't think some of it I can afford it, but there are cheaper items in there that I wanted. So well, before I'm gonna unbox this bag, I'm gonna talk about that um woman or the sales lady in Hermes when I went there, guys. And actually, I don't have a plan to go there, to go inside the Hermes, and because I don't have a hope that they have stock in there. And also, I don't know, it's not planned buying that items that soon, but since I saw it there, so why not? And also that when I asked her if you guys have stock for this, and she said, oh, sorry, we don't have any stock for that, we only have for display. And she said, come back on next week. I said, like, oh, I can't go back to next week because I live 2 hours drive from here, I'm not from here. So she said, okay, let me talk to my manager. And she was talk to this, and then she asking me if I've been purchased there before. I said, yeah, I do a few times. So she was looking my name in the system on the computer, but she can't even find. I was standing there for 1 or 2 minutes until she found my name. And she said, like, so strange that I can't find your name, until she found it. And she said, okay, let me get that item. To be honest with you guys, if you don't have any history purchase from them, they will not show you, or they will not give you the items unless you have a recent purchase from them. That's why I noticed, because when she's asking me if I've been purchasing before, I said yeah. And then she talked to her manager like this, blah blah blah. And then so I was put in my mind like, wow, what if this is your first time purchasing this item, and then you don't have any history of purchasing from them, which is you can't buy this item until you have a purchase history from the store, which is so weird. For me, that's my experience, guys. So I'm just telling you, I don't know if you do have experience like that as well when you go in the Hermes store. If you haven't any history purchase from them, they will buy you something, or especially for this particular bag that really it's hard to get. And you can buy 20 card holder in there, but they are limited colors and stock also in the card holder and Calvi. But from other bags, it's really hard to get unless if they haven't stock. So yeah, but she was so nice that she showed me these items. The last 2 lady that I came in there when I purchased items from Hermes, that they don't give me their calling card, the business card. But this woman, oh my god, she's so lovely. She said, if you have planned any purchasing one day on the future, just let me know, just email me or texting me. So oh my god, I'm so happy that I have say now on Hermes. Oh my god, I don't have to call every time customer service if they have the stock in their store or what. So yeah, oh guys, can you tell that I'm so excited of this? Okay, let me know, comment below section, guys, if you like the color. So guys, here is the bag. They are giving me a big paper shopping bag for this. So I guess people know what it is anyway, if they saw the bags. So this is the bags. guys, I'm so excited with this item. So yeah, you can't tell how I'm excited for this. Orange bags makes me happy. I guess I will not purchase any bag for a few months now, because most of my bags that my wish list is I had this year. For this year 2020, I purchased all my wish list bags, so which is crazy. So there she is. I forgot her name, the SA that served me that day. And see, what is this one over here? Oh, probably this is the care book. How you taking care of the bag. Of course, the packaging. I mean the dust bag. So guys, are you ready for the what color I got? I forgot that. I wish she left me the tag, so at least I know what the color of this leather. I mean, this color of this bag. So it's really hard to say, by the way. And if you are in store, you can't really tell the difference, the color of a bag or the item, until you bring this item into natural light. So the color, the bag is ta-da! This is Picatinny 18 color pink, and the handle is red. So I wish, you know, I'm looking for a bag like a for the Picatinny 18. I want a what you call a gold. I don't like any dark color of bag, because I do have a black and navy blue from Chanel. So I'm looking for like gold, a taupe color, or red. But I wish the body is red and the handle is pink, but this one is other way. This is the red handle here in the bottom. So, and a gold, I mean, that's not gold, that was silver hardware. And yeah guys, what do you think the color? I never had pink color, but I do have a red bag. Let's remove all this stuff in here, and this one is the lock. So the inside is, I think it's pink as well. I wish the inside is red. That's what it looks like. I wish the name of Hermes is part of the body, at least right here, one of the front, not inside, so at least people can tell that this is from Hermes. But well, people who has a, you know, shop in Hermes or have a bag from Hermes, they can tell that this one is from Hermes. And you just want something like, you know, their name is just so small in the bottom. This is made in France, and you can put on the side right here, or right here in the front. It's really cute. I wish that they put the red color not in the bottom of the bag. I wish the whole handle is red, so it will look nicely more and unique. And yeah, when she told me like she has a pink and a red color two-tone of the bag, and I said like, oh, I wish half is pink, half is red, because I saw that one online. That's the one I'm trying to purchase, but every time I go for payment and paid, they were already sold out. So let's see. This is the lock. This is the key. This is, I think this key is much of this lock and the keys. So look at that, guys. They still have plastic in there. So cute. I wish they have gold. They have also actually navy blue and a blue esmer, same as my card Bastia card holder in the interior. But she said they cannot remove that. That's for a display. It's just so weird because they don't sell whatever display in their shelves. So let's put on this one over here. I can see that this is like a bright pink. In store, guys, it looks like a fuchsia dark pink. This one, it's more pink, like baby pink. So I'm looking for a what do you call this one, organizer for this. I'm looking for a Zumuni, so at least I can protect this bag. I am searching, guys, because have you tried looking for something in a bag in store, and then you are trying to checking every details of the bag, but the lady, your AC is in there, like looking checking on you, look at you if you're checking everything, like thinking like, oh, this woman doesn't trust us or something. But you just want to make sure, because you don't want to purchase something and bring something for return. And I don't like that. I don't like returning items, guys, to be honest with you. When I return that Chanel and exchange, I'm so shy, but I have to, because of that particular reason, the stitching and the color of the bag. And that bag from Chanel, it's similar to this one. Yes, it's just like this color, I think. I wish I still have the pictures, but I delete out. I think there's one on in my Instagram. It just, look how pretty is that. And really glad this is. I wish it's also, to be honest with you, I prefer the gold hardware, but silver hardware is fine by me. So, and the bottom actually is quite sturdy. Yeah, this is. So what do you think, guys? The color, this is Clement's leather bag, and I will do a what's the name of this, a what's in my bag. And I also do put a use a twilly, long twilly for a shoulder strap. So there she is. It's so cute. I will wait for dressing up with this baby. I really like the bottom. It's so quite sturdy. And you can put this one other side. You can do like that to make it shorter. Yeah, I put the other way. And I saw this one on Instagram, people putting twilly around this here. And they also did dress up this one for they put like a bag charm. So, oh my god, it's so cute, guys. Oh my god. There is one thing that bothers me, that's the stitching in here, but I guess that's the way it's stitched. Oh, so hold on, guys. I just want to make sure that everything is perfect, because I don't want to go back in there. It's like 2 hours drive. And so yeah, I thought the inside is red, but I guess it's pink. It's a beautiful, and it's the inside is white. And there you go, guys. I got my dream bag. I scored my dream bag. I'm just hoping that the handle right here is also red. It would be perfect. I don't mind with that. So yeah, what do you think, guys? Comment below what you think of this color. I don't have any pink color as well, and she said this is perfect for spring and summer bag, which is good. So again, I'm so excited to use this baby, and finally I scored the item that I want in store. Plus I do have AC now in Hermes, so in the future if I want to buy something, I will just text her and email her. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.